We've been talking about this for years. I've never been one to back down based on short-term noise, whether it's geopolitical tensions, Federal Reserve policy shifts, or macroeconomic blips. What's happening right now is much bigger than any single event. We're in the midst of the fourth industrial revolution, and when it comes to AI, we're still just getting started. If this AI revolution is a party, we're only at 10 p.m., and it's going until 4 a.m., the skeptics will keep doubting, but the ones paying attention are getting the popcorn ready because this cycle isn't ending anytime soon. This is year 3 of what looks like a 5 to 6 year bull cycle in AI and disruptive technology. It's one of the biggest investment opportunities of our time. Musk saw it coming, he made the right bets, and now Tesla is positioned to be at the center of this transformation. The real game changer is autonomy. That's where the trillion-dollar opportunities lie. Regulatory headwinds may have been a concern in the past, but that landscape is shifting, and Tesla is set to be the biggest beneficiary. Some of the biggest critics of Tesla have gone silent in recent months because the stock continues to defy expectations. Calling Tesla just a car company is an insult to what it really is, a disruptive technology powerhouse. The next chapter in the Tesla story isn't just about EVs. It's about robotics and AI. That's the gold at the end of the rainbow. As autonomy moves to the forefront, Tesla is only getting started. When it comes to valuation, Tesla is grossly underestimated. A base case of $515, a bullish case of $650, but even that may be conservative. If you factor in the real value of Optimus and Tesla's AI-driven robotics strategy, it's easy to see a market cap well beyond $2 trillion. The skeptics have missed every major technological revolution over the last 2 decades because they can't quantify exponential innovation in a spreadsheet. This is no different. AI is redefining industries, and those who refuse to acknowledge it will miss out once again. Tesla's rollout of its autonomous ride-hailing network, Cybercab, is another major catalyst. In about a year, production will ramp up, and by early 2026, those vehicles will be on the road. The broader tech industry is also set for a wave of mergers and acquisitions, driven by a changing regulatory environment. The elimination of past roadblocks is setting the stage for a surge in AI investment, making it one of the most attractive sectors for capital allocation. The partnership between Musk and political leadership will also be a key factor in shaping the industry. AI innovation centers within the U.S. will drive technological advancement and solidify Tesla's dominance in autonomous mobility. While concerns over AI safety exist, the data overwhelmingly supports the shift toward automation. Human drivers account for nearly 85% of all accidents. Removing human error from the equation is the most effective way to make roads safer. Regulators are already beginning to recognize this reality, and as more data comes in, the argument for full autonomy will only strengthen. For investors looking to stay ahead of Tesla's market trajectory, Seeking Alpha remains the best resource for tracking Tesla's stock movements, innovation, and financial outlook. Clicking the affiliate link in the description supports the channel and provides in-depth analysis on the company's growth strategy. Many people still don't fully grasp the scale of what's happening. In 12 to 18 months, the Nasdaq could be hitting 25,000 as AI-driven innovation accelerates. Economic fluctuations and political shifts may cause temporary volatility, but none of it changes the long-term trajectory. The Federal Reserve is set to cut rates in the next 12 to 24 months, and the AI revolution is still in its early stages. When all of these factors align, the market will continue moving higher, making this one of the most bullish environments for technology stocks in decades. Tesla stands at the top of the mountain when it comes to AI, robotics, and autonomous mobility. While other automakers struggle to achieve profitability with EVs, Tesla is expanding its lead. Companies like General Motors and Ford are scaling back their EV ambitions, which only strengthens Tesla's position. The recent setbacks at Cruise, GM's self-driving unit, further demonstrate how difficult it is to build an AI-driven transportation system. Tesla, with its vast real-world driving data and AI expertise, is years ahead of the competition. For those who doubted Tesla's ability to survive, history has proven them wrong time and time again. Years ago, critics claimed Tesla would run out of cash, but the company had more than enough investor confidence to continue scaling. The barriers to entry in autonomy are massive, and Tesla has already cleared hurdles that other companies are still struggling to overcome. Internationally, Tesla's role in China is another major advantage. The Chinese government recently invited Tesla to collaborate with Baidu's Apollo on autonomous vehicle projects, a clear signal that Tesla is recognized as a leader in this space. With gigafactories in key global markets, Tesla is positioned to dominate both production and AI development. The market potential for autonomy is staggering. The total revenue opportunity for autonomous vehicle networks is expected to reach $7 to $8 trillion within the next decade. Half of that, $3 to $4 trillion, will go directly to the companies operating these platforms, with Tesla poised to take the largest share. This is a market that will fundamentally reshape global GDP, and Tesla is in the pole position. Over the past month, a series of key events have strengthened the case for Tesla. The retreat of legacy automakers from the EV market has given Tesla even more room to expand. Regulatory shifts are making it easier for AI-driven companies to operate, and the elimination of past barriers is setting up an explosive growth period. These factors all contribute to Tesla's increasing dominance. Tesla is not just an automaker, it is the most important AI-driven business in the world today. It is closer than any other company to launching a fully commercialized, nationwide autonomous taxi network. The breakthroughs in artificial intelligence that Tesla has achieved will allow it to scale autonomy faster than any competitor. While others are still figuring out how to collect real-world driving data, Tesla already has the largest and most advanced AI training model in existence. As the AI party continues, Tesla remains the most undervalued AI play in the market. Some critics called it overvalued at $50 per share. They called it overvalued at $300. They will continue doubting it at $600 and beyond. But as autonomous mobility reaches mass adoption, Tesla's value will become undeniable. By the end of 2025, Tesla's market cap could easily surpass $2 trillion, driven by AI innovation, regulatory tailwinds, and the rapid commercialization of autonomy. The skeptics will stay in hibernation mode, but for those who understand the revolution that's unfolding, this is just the beginning. The golden era of AI is here, and Tesla is leading the charge.